Okay, so last session we have completed up to cat. Okay, so till now any doubts?
Yeah.
Okay, then now we'll go
No.
for SCP. Okay, so SCP
Yeah.
mean
Can you record the session? Yeah.
yeah, recording. Okay, so SCP means secure server copy. So that means if you want to copy any file, hmm, so one location to another location, that means one server to another server. We'll go for the SCP, or else FTP, or else SSH, or else how to call SFTP. Okay, now we'll see that first SCP. SCP means secure server copy. Now I am going Unix folder. So here there is a file called text file. I'm trying to copy this file to. So I'm trying to copy this file to. Currently I am in home. So sorry, Suresh at the rate of Nexion for IT. So I don't have two servers, but still I'm saying I will show you the same server with a different user. So sudo su hyphen raja. Mm. So if you see, so from here to Suresh at the rate of Nexion IT to Raja at the rate of Nexion for IT, I will copy that file. So currently I'm in here, home Raja. If you see here, so there is no text file. Huh?
Excuse me.
Okay, there is no text file, so I will copy the text file to in this folder. Okay, SCP, and then we have to give the file name, which file name we are going to move. Okay, so file where we are copying in this folder, first you need to come. Okay, so in this folder only I have file, so I came here and then SCP I am pressing and then file name, so text. Okay, after that we have to give that server name, so Raja at the rate, so the server name. Okay, colon, and which path you need to copy. Okay, this is what home underscore Raja I need to copy. So if I enter now, so it
Okay.
cannot authentication accepted, not giving action. So password Raja, uh, permission denied. Oh god. Okay, SH working, SCP it's not working. See here, hello. So I'm copying. So if you want to copy the data, so SCP and then -p I'm giving. So here I give the file name and then Raja at the rate server name and then which path you're going to copy. Okay, I copied home directory, so it's copied 100%. So if you now check sudo su -raja, so here currently I'm there in home Raja. When you check it now, the text file, so with today date only copied. Okay, so like this we can able to copy. When we'll go for SCP means if you know the other server username password as well as which path you are going to copy. Then we'll go for the SCP. Okay, clear?
So Suresh, is this the SAP means secure copy, only secure copy, not
Secure
the server copy? Sorry?
secure server copy.
Okay, okay.
So we are
So if
copying
you want to
server
copy,
to server.
right?
So
Okay.
if you think this is a U at the rate Suresh at the rate other server. If you think here I don't have two servers, right? That's why here also I given the Raja at the rate same server only. If you have other server, give that name at the rate and then other server
Okay.
name. Hmm? Yeah, that's all. So any other? Okay. So which scenario will go for this one means we want to know the username password. If you want to go for any scenario, username password is a mandatory. But so one thing, if you choose the SCP, so definitely you want to know the which path you're going to copy. That path you need to know. Otherwise, if you don't know path, so where we can copy, it's very difficult. Okay, one more advantage here, we no need to log in the server. Direct without a login, so directly we can send the file. Okay, so this is so same to copy the one server to another server files. We have a SFTP or FTP. FTP, SFTP both same only. FTP means normal, SFTP means secure. That is only differ. So when you think here SFTP, so how we give the formation means SFTP and then username at the rate of server name. Okay, username at the rate of server name we have to give. Then when you enter, so it will ask password. So once you give the password, so it will enter there. Okay, it's connected now. So now I am in SFTP on. So Raja at the rate of this one. If you want to see means, okay. So currently I am there in Raja user. I want to copy demo file for example. Okay. So now I am doing. So I am connected to Suresh to Raja. So think this both are different servers. So that's for differentiation purpose. I'm giving the usernames here. So I want to copy demo file in Raja. So how I can copy? So I need to get there. So we need to use the command called get demo.sh. So currently which folder we are there? Home Raja. If you get means that file it will available here. Demo.sh. No such a file are directly. I think reverse operation we need to do. Demo.sh. Okay. So we are connected Suresh to Raja. So we need to put here. Okay. So 100% completed. When you check this in this folder, either demo file is available or not. It's copied successfully. So same way we can able to reverse here. So for example, I want to copy so one file called cache. Okay, from here to there. So get dot. Okay, cannot download. It's not a regular expressions. Okay, it's not regular expression. That's why it's not added. Okay, we'll check here. Is there any folder? I think nothing folders we have. Okay, examples.desktop. This is a file. Okay, get examples.desktop. Okay, this is copied perfectly. So is it copied or not? Then we'll check here. See here. This file is copied. So once if you connect it to one server, so we can able to do the both.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Suresh, can you explain SFTP? One second.
I didn't get you.
Yeah, I'm not getting. Can you explain once again?
Yeah, okay. So normally if you know the path means without login that server we can able to copy file from SCP. If we don't know path then
Yeah.
definitely we need to log in that server. Okay, for that purpose we'll go for the SFTP. Okay, to log in the SFTP, okay, I'll remove the file here. So example file I am removing. Okay, so now I am connecting SFTP. So currently I am getting Suresh at the rate of Nexion for IT. So now I am connecting Raja at the rate of Nexion for IT. Okay, now connected. Okay, I connected the server, so it's showing connected to Nexion for IT. So here I am not at changing the user, I am changing
Can,
the server.
can you do the PWD now?
Yeah, see, it came different directory. Here, what is the directory?
Okay.
Home Suresh Raja. So here, home Raja.
Okay.
So now we can check it here what
Okay.
all files we have. So here something we have available. So now I am trying to do here demo file is removed. So I think we can't delete here. So in
Okay.
SFTP, right? So it's not a thing. Why means? So that is a differ. We are connected with the Suresh. Okay, now I want to copy one file. So to copy means I am connected to the Suresh to Raja. So I need to put from there to here. So then we need to use the put and then demo.sh. So now it's uploaded here in the server, Raja server. Okay, 100% completed. It's take 0.0 seconds only. When you see demo
So both
files,
sides we have only put command.
huh?
Both sides we have only put command.
No,
From
if you
this side
no
to that.
no. If you want to put, so we are connected Raja to Suresh, Raja sorry Suresh to Raja, right?
Okay.
Suresh to Raja we connected.
Yeah.
So if you want to
Okay.
play, if you want to copy any file from Suresh to Raja, then we'll put the put.
Okay. Okay.
So if you reverse,
If I
like
want to, yeah, if I want to copy file
wait.
from, yeah.
I'm trying to say, so listen first, and if you and once completed, if you have asked out. So if you want to reverse, so like Raja to Suresh, okay.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
time we need to use the get. So for example, I have a file called example desktop. So I'm pressing here get. So and then example dot desktop. See here, it's here when you do the foot, it's showing uploading. So why uploading from there to here? So here fetching
Okay.
from Suresh, from Raja to Suresh, it's fetching data.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what. So here once
Okay.
if you log in SFTP, we can do both operations, either copy from there to
Okay.
here or here to there. Local
Okay.
to
For FTP also same, right?
FTP also same only, but FTP not using now. So why means they are introducing a security purpose instead of FTP SFTP. Like
Okay.
HTTP before, ఇప్పుడు now HTTPS, right? In links.
Yes. Okay.
So like same.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So if you want to exit here, then we need to press the exit. Okay. Then we'll come out. Okay. So this is a SFTP. Okay. We have one more command call. So now, okay, we're copying the files. It's fine. If you want to change one user to another user, currently I'm there in Suresh user, then how I can change? So with the help of two commands, either sudo su hyphen username. Currently I'm there in Suresh. So if I enter, it will ask password. Already I entered, right? It's remember that. Okay, directly it's logins Raja at the rate of Nexion for IT. Okay, so this way we can do, or else SU and then Suresh. It's asking password Suresh. Okay, see here. So either this way or this way, both ways we can able to do, nothing different, same only. changing the super user. Okay, so to change this user, one user to another user in same server. Okay, guys, understanding?
So,
Yes.
Suresh,
Yes, Suresh.
Suresh, here you're using sudo is a command which can use this command we can switch from one user to other user.
In
In the
same
second
server.
example, you didn't use, yeah, I got it. But in the second line, you didn't use sudo. Without sudo
Yeah,
command also, we can switch the.
yes, both
Yeah.
same purpose
Yes.
only, changing the user.
Okay.
Yes. Yes,
Okay,
you switch user.
yes.
Yes, yes.
So if you want to, so okay, here one server to another server I am shipping. So okay, if I want to change normal user to sudo user, then sudo user means root user. How to change the root user?
Definitely, we need to use sudo. I think
Directly
sudo
we
is
need to do SU.
Sudo su root. Is it work?
su hyphen is fine. I think su also root also.
No.
This
Yeah,
one
yeah.
we can use, or else
Directly SU.
authentication failed. Okay,
Su hyphen. I think.
okay, sudo. I think it won't work maybe. Okay, this won't work here. To change the sudo so root user, it will work. You no need to give the username. Either if you give the username also it will work. Okay, if you don't give the username also, it will be directly, if you don't pass any username, it will defaultly look for the root user. Okay,
Okay.
so it won't work for root directory, root user.
Yeah, got it. But sometimes we are giving sudo su hyphen till that one only, even though it is going to root user.
Which one? Sudo
Sudo su sudo
hyphen.
su hyphen.
Huh?
Enter.
This one.
Enter. Yes.
So both same only. So hyphen username. If you don't pass anything username means it will come to directly defaultly
Root.
root user. It will check.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. So this is okay. Now we'll learn so how to change the one user to another user in same server. Okay. So if you want to change the one server to another server, okay, then how? So we have a command called sh. So think I am Suresh at the rate of Nextion for IT. So think here, if Nextion IT, it's a different user. Currently, maybe think this is a Raja, so this is a some server one, this is a server two. I don't have many servers, right? This is a local, right? That's why same server I am showing. If you enter, so it's asking the password. Okay. So when you give the password, then automatically it will be changed. Okay. How it will be changing means same username. I did not pass any username here. With same username, it will connect it to the different server. If you have the access to the server with your username, then we can jump one server to another server. Got it? So if you want to skip one server to another server with a different username, then we need to use the Raja at the rate of Nextion for IT. So different username, different user and different username also we can able to pass here. When you pass it here, so it's able to change with the different username and different server name. Okay, guys, got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so simple thing. If you want to change the one user to another user, then we'll go for the sudo. So if you want to change one server to another server, then we'll go for the sh. Okay.
Suresh, can you show auto SSH?
Hmm?
Auto SSH.
I did not get you.
Yeah, can you show us auto SSH? Means passwordless authentication in SSH.
Okay. So passwordless authentication means So first we need to generate the keys to for example, I want to connect it to Suresh user to Raja user. Then
Okay.
we have to generate the keys. Okay, for that one, I'll give the article also in my blog. Okay, so everything clearly step by step also. So where is that? See here, passwordless access
Okay.
for SSH
Okay.
and SFTP. So if you go for step by step, I will show here practically also, no problem. So first we need to do here generate the public key, private key pair. So how we can
Yes.
generate means this is a command. So SSH keygen T RSA. For example, if I'm passing here, okay. So currently I'm in Suresh user. Okay, Suresh user. I'm passing. So this time no need to enter any password here. So enter, enter, enter. So like this it will come. If you observe here also, it will same it will come if you execute this command, and then so it will be saying here it's generated two files here identified as a saved files. Okay, home Suresh. See here. Currently I am here. Okay, if you observe here .sh there is a file. See here. Okay, if you go for inside .sh, so here I have a two files generated. Same files only, right? Okay,
Yes.
id rsa id rsa public. Okay, this is a private key, this
Yes.
is a public key. Okay, at a time both files it will be generated. Okay, once
Yes.
files generated, then what we need to do, we need to copy the files to the which server you are going to use. See, two files generated, right? So now, so like this two files generated now. So from Suresh to Raja, if I want to connect it means for Raja same location I need to copy that file. See here I am connecting SFTP.
Okay.
Okay, once enter I am copying these files. I will show you here. So here, so in this path only I need to copy the file, right? So from here only I am playing SFTP. Yes, FTP Raja at the rate of connection. Okay, now connected. Raja. Okay, now connected. So now I need to check the path. Home Raja CD SH.
Okay.
So it's not there, I think, directory. So here there is no directory for
Create.
that. So
We
then,
need to create, I guess.
so make directory. Now created. Now I am going to the directory. Now here there is no files. Now I am saying put. So I am copying these two files. Okay, so at a time two files I need to copy means what I need to do, id star I am giving. Okay,
Okay.
so then two files it's copied over here. Okay,
Okay.
so now we need to come exit logout. Okay, see here same they're done. So they're copying the, so if there is no directory created, so then put the two files. So
Okay.
public, they are copied public file only.
Okay.
Okay, then log in with the SSH. Now we can check.
Okay.
So SSH Raja at the rate of connection for IT. It's asking password. Okay, shall I remove that one? Home Raja CD SSH. Remove here private
Okay.
IDRS. Okay, I'm closing the terminal again. I'm open.
Okay.
SSH Raja at the rate of connection. Still it's using.
Yes.
So once we copied file, so again it's asking password here, remote public key authorization. Okay, So I forgot one thing. Here we have to make those files to authorization key access. This is we forgot. Okay, rename that public key name as a authorization key. Okay, from this one to this one. So how we can rename that file? So we can use it as a mo id to authorization key. Okay, and now when you see that one, so it's a key generated. Okay, so this is I renamed that one. So now, so what we need to do? Suresh SH. So here also they are moving the authorization Suresh directory also. So once cat and then change various to permissions. Okay. So we need to give the access from them. Okay. So here there is access. Okay. I'll give the all access 755. Okay. Now I'm coming exit. So here I'm going one more time SH. So here also I'm doing the same concept. So more. What is that file name called? Authorization key access. I'm giving the permissions to the same. Okay, now I'm doing here sh raja at the rate of next. Okay,
Yes.
this is what we need to do. So where we can do is, so inside a script, for example, which scenario we'll use this one means, first you got it how, so even if you have some doubts also, that's why I show the blog also. So here if you go everything steps you have, so you can easily able to copy the data. You can follow the steps.
Okay.
So in documentation I did not mention this one, I think maybe. Okay,
Okay.
so if you want to repeat means, if you not understanding anything means, I'll explain one more time. So
Yeah,
here,
I have one doubt, Suresh, actually.
yeah,
Yeah, do we have to change the authorized keys in the source IP address also? Means
no,
source server.
no, we don't, we no need to change anything. So if you open the authorization key, we can't understanding anything.
Okay.
So we can't change
No.
anything there. Huh? So that is
Okay.
differ. So where, yeah, so it's
Yeah. Can you come to Suresh? Can you come to Suresh once?
okay. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Yeah. You change. Yeah. Here also you have changed ID underscore RSC underscore public key to authorized keys, right?
Uh,
Yeah. That's what I'm asking.
so not that's name only we need to change, authorization key access.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. The name should be in the source and destination. The name should be same, like authorized keys.
yeah, this is like how they are defining means. So authorization key only. So while they are
Okay.
checking that user, so if I open, so here easily we can see here. See my username be here not it. I think cat. So the what is that username? Maybe Suresh, right? So there is a mandatory, not here. Grib Suresh and authorization key. See here the username.
Yeah.
So this is a everything key access. We can't understand anything. When you go for here, this is a mandatory thing. So here, so uh, readable purpose we need to change. That is looking for defaultly authorized keys.
Okay.
So which scenario will go for this one means? So if you have real time, if you develop any script, so from different server we'll get the files, input files. Okay, for example, I
Okay.
am in Suresh user. So input files I need to get from, so Raja server. Have you observed anywhere real time like input files it will getting from the server, staging server? So that means client server. So we don't know the input files, right? So they need to give that. So that time we need to connect that server and we need to get the files from that server to our server. Okay.
Okay.
So inside that time, so we are doing automation or daily running purpose means when you run after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it will go that server connection. Manually, if you need to enter the password means it's again heading. And if you forgot to enter the password, it will stuck there itself. It will wait up to 20 minutes, 30 minutes. If you're still not yet providing any password, then it will terminate that process. To avoid such scenarios, they will come with the passwordless access. Okay, if you inside the give scripting level, so it automatically it need to connect, and then it will get the data from there, and it can process here. Okay, the for that purpose they are introducing that. Okay,
Yeah, to work with SSH, do you have to install any packages?
I didn't
Means
get it.
if I have, yeah, if I have launched one Amazon, yeah, AWS instance, okay.
I didn't
If
get
I
it.
go for
Amazon.
SSH, yeah,
Ah,
AWS instance means server.
ah.
Yeah, if I'm working with SSH, sometimes it is showing like SSH not enabled like that. Do we have to install any packages or something in fresh server?
Yeah, not packages. So some things there is a command called sh open server and client something. So I'm not sure exactly command, but when you type how to whatever it will be showing when your first time installation means it will be show SH connection
Mhm.
not available. So the time
Yes.
open server if you pass it, I think it will work.
Something. Do
So
we have to open any ports or something?
no, we no need to
SSH
change
port.
anything. Simply we need to command. I think. I think I'll check. Is there anything? Yeah, uh, bash history. You'll block link. Okay. What is that here? Group, right? Okay, 1 minute. Grave, and then SSH, and then what is it? Bash RC. Yeah, this is a command. To first time when you install the first time Ubuntu
Yeah.
OS or software,
Yes.
this one we need to execute. Once if you executed this, then you can perfectly able to log in that.
Okay.
Okay, I'll ping you this.
Suresh, what's
Uh,
happened?
So when you install, when you first time when you install the server, it won't access the sh command. So to even if you install the sh command also, it won't work. So after that, we need to install this one. Open sh hyphen server. Okay, I'll ping you this command. So
So
where is it?
only the root user can have the access, right?
For Red Hat Linux, it will be different, right?
Yeah, it's a Linux part or Unix part only. This one. Others, it's a
Okay.
differ. Okay, so I'm
Okay.
ping this one in you copy that one or else and I am copying block link also. Mm, okay, everyone got it. Okay, so same thing I'll copy here also, maybe in document also I will copy, it's better.
So for the first time users, I mean for the new installation servers, new servers, we need
Mhm.
to
Run this one to access
install
the uh,
SSH, right?
yes SSH access. Okay. Okay, till now any doubts?
Yeah,
Fine.
Suresh, I have one.
Go ahead.
Hello. Yeah, do you have to check any ports ports open for SSH or something? Some.
No, that is a differ everything. So port open
Okay.
or thing means telnet there is a command. We'll check that connection opened or not. So for that server, this user to that server is it open that for connection or not? Telnet, and then we'll give her the connection server name. Then it will check that connection is established or not. Okay, simply checking purpose we'll use this command telnet. Okay, so
Telnet only for port openers, right?
I didn't get you.
Telnet command is to check. If you want to check if the port is open or not, then only you can check this telnet command. Right?
Yes, yes, yes.
But here we are not giving the port number. I think in your example.
No, connection is opened or not, we'll check. Not port number. So it will be share that connection is open or not.
Okay.
Okay, now where I stop, only this one completed. Okay, so now zip unzip. So if you go for real time, so now what happened? So keep on going on server, right? It will generate a lot of files on big data. So to maintain that one, maybe we'll face it as a disk space issues. That time either we want to delete the unwanted files or else we need to um, what do you say? So compress the file size.
Yeah.
Okay. So for example, when you go for here, I don't have the many files here. Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, for example, this is a file. Okay, I am trying to compress this one ggzip example. Okay, ggzip and then file name. When you check now, so that file is compressed or not. Normally that file
Compressed.
size is 8445. So now that file size is 3742. When you compress that file, it will be make it as a .gz. So that means a zip file. Okay. So if you want to unzip, then say gunzip. So when you check now, okay, it's unzipped. So when you performing unzip and then zip, it will be take original file. If you are zipping means original file it will take care, and then original file itself it will zip. Unzip also original file it will unzipping. It won't take backup anything. Okay. So at a time only we can able to do the single file, or else so sorry. So here we can able to do only files, not folders. Okay. When you see here, so if you wanna zip all files also we can able to zip, and if you make it as a star, okay, here there is a directory, rom directory there, that's why. So make it as a star.sh. Okay, it's zipped that. So here folders wise we can't able to zip. Okay, or else we can do like this also. So space and then another file. Okay, so when I see now all unzipped. Okay, this is why we can able to do that. Okay,
I have found out that
yeah, tell me.
there are 5 files are there, and if you want to keep all the 5 files as a single file,
uh, then that is a different scenario. For that one we want to go for tar command.
okay.
Okay, so there is a command called tar to zip the folders as well as files with a single name. For example, I am saving tar cbf, so my tar name equal to a dot tar, and then I am saying everything zip, everything tar. Okay, so from here what and all it's tar demo file, so example desktop, and then rom folder, and then text dot sh file. If you check it here, it won't disturb the original files. Okay, it will keep it will there, and then it will create the one name, that name itself one tar file. In the tar file itself remaining everything data we have. Okay,
But it's not a zip file. It's moving all the copying all the files to this folder. But I mean,
yeah,
it's like a
I'm saying
folder.
I'm that's what I'm saying, it's not a gif, it's a tar. So tar means what? Combination of all folders as well as files. So where we can go for this scenario? So for example, if we have a same files or same folder structure, huh? So if you want to copy same some other location or some other server, then we'll tar here, and then we'll make it this tar file to copy this tar file to, so add a tar to ram folder. So in this rom I want to data everything. Okay, inside ram. Okay, I'm going cd ram. So inside, when you see inside ram, nothing we have. Okay, I copied here, right? So this file only there. Huh? Nothing here there. If I untar this one, okay, first to untar, before untarring, we will check what and all information we have available inside the tar file. Okay, tvf. So there is so demo file, and then example dot ram dot text. These are the information we have. So now if I untar this one, okay, it's created, and again here folder also created. Even if you have 100 folders also inside same structure, it will copy from here to there. We no need to worry. One time it will complete everything same whatever structure we have here. So same structure we can copy some other server also. So for that purpose they will use the um, tar command. Okay, hello, have you clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so this is a command called create the tar. So cbf. Okay, so if you want to see inside data in tar file, we will go for the tvf. So if you extract the data, xvf. Okay, so this is a tar command. Now gunzip man, we seen, right? If you have any doubt any command, then we'll go for the man. So here instead of going google, so here only we can able to check. Okay, everything description and then options. Okay, and then move already
One
discussed.
small,
Yeah,
yeah, regarding this move on, I have small doubt. If you
yeah.
want to rename a file, we are giving move a space a dot backup. But if you want to rename a directory,
I didn't get you. Pardon.
if you want to move any file, we can use mv command
Uh,
for renaming any file.
uh,
But if you want to rename directory, is any command?
Rename directory.
Yeah. Here RAM is a directory. If you want to
Huh?
rename this directory,
Okay,
Here
here.
RAM is the
Ah,
yeah.
ah,
If we want to rename this directory,
ah.
so shall
So,
we use move thing?
so we'll see. Try this one. So directories we can't. What happened if you do that?
Renamed
Hmm, rename, but hmm,
the files under that RAM are gone, I think.
yes. So if you want to do that scenario means first you need to go inside the Suresh or Ramo, and then every file we need to, and then tar hyphen cvf, and then some file name dot something star we need to give. So here we have a file. After that we need to create one more directory, and then same data we need to copy, extract on the directory and delete the old directory. That is what we have to do. Okay, if you
Okay.
rename, automatically it won't come the existing data in same. So it's a renamed, but there is a loss. Okay.
Okay. And the thing is here, while you using the star command, you are using hyphen CVF, TVF, XVF. What
Uh,
is this? I mean, I'm really
CVF
those
means
keywords.
compression. Compression. Okay. CVF means all combination, like all the files we are doing single combination file. CVF means compress. So like TVF means to view the inside the data. What is that man? And then what is the command we are thinking? Tar. See here, X means extract, and then we have one more command called right C. C means create a new architecture, new arch, like that means compression files. Okay, and then one more thing we have right. X means extract, and then T right. So T means list. Okay, hello. So if you don't know exactly, even mine also, it's very difficult to remember. We know functionality, but naming wise, few things we can easily able to remember, few things we can't able to remember. So sometimes in
Okay.
C means we'll call it as a combination or compressing. Sometimes we're calling here tar place in create. So normally we don't use anywhere create. Okay, wherever you have doubt, or if you want to know the meaning of that option, then we'll go for simply that man command. Okay. So and then calcat we already seen. So then we have one more command called chmod. Chmod is a command to change the file formations. Okay, so here I have a file called so something text.sh. That file have user and group have user have read write permissions. Group have read write permissions. Others have only read. Okay, chmod. So this is a change permissions. Okay, they are defining 2 4 1. So 4 means read. So 2 means write. 1 means execute. Okay, if I copy this file, So first RW indicate the user, second RW indicates the group, so third one indicate the others. So when you give the command, we are giving here chmod 755 and then text.sh. So here 755 means what? So first 7 indicate the user, second 5 indicates the group, third 5 indicates the others. So that means user have what and all permissions. So user have 4 plus 2 plus 1, so equal to 7. So that means user have read, write, execute. So and then group and others have, so number 5 I given 4 plus 1. So that means read and execute permissions we have. Okay, clear? When you give here chmod 755 text, now check it the permissions here. So read, write, execute, read, execute, read, execute. Is it clear?
Yes, Suresh.
Uh,
For user, previously we don't have the execute permission for test.sh, right? Previously, before changing.
we see
Means we
before
have
changing
read.
here only.
Yeah, we have only read write permissions,
Uh,
so we can't able to execute that file
yes.
with the user.
We can't able to execute. See here.
Can you show us demo.sh? That is also same. User doesn't have.
Okay, so I'll make it as a so echo and then echo demo of chmod command. Okay. So demo.sh. Okay. Sorry.
Double quotes missing.
Double quotes 2 times I given. Okay. Now when you see the demo file, okay, this is information. Okay. So when I run this file, permission it's showing. Okay.
Can you do a switch space?
Yes, it will work.
Means
So if you don't have executable permissions, we'll go for this one. Okay.
okay,
sh and then space and then
okay,
file name. So if you have permissions, this is not a way. So normally your testing purpose you can do, but when you go for the real
okay,
time inside script, if you want to run one more script means, so that is
okay,
always will go for this one only.
okay,
So this way we can run. So if you don't have means, we have to make it as a permission to that file. So then we need
okay,
to run that file. Okay.
okay.
So
Using sh space file name.sh, we can't do the script within the. We can't run a script within the script, right?
we can run anywhere, but everyone can run that one, right? So what is the
Okay,
use
okay.
of the where is the security? So he
Yes.
a user run, group run, others run, then what is the use of ch mode
Okay,
here, huh?
okay,
So that's what. So testing purpose we can do. If you don't have permissions or you are the other users, then we'll go for that. So when you go for the scripting level means that is in it's going production level, so everyone can able to run that script means that is again it's not a secure.
okay.
Okay, that's why
Yes,
we
yes.
have to go for
1 minute. One
uh,
minute, Suresh.
yeah.
So here you ran sh and the file name.
uh,
So you're able to, anyone can able to run. But how to stop other users to execute that file using sh as well?
no, yes, that's what there is no limitations there. So if you want to restrictions means then we have to go for ch mode only.
Okay,
So if I change the file permissions and if I run sh and the file name, it will runs, right? Even though if I don't give any executable privilege also, it will runs, right?
I didn't get you. So okay, if you don't give also, okay, I will say I will show the examples here. So okay, I'm changing the Raja. So now okay, so demo. Okay, so this is information, right? If I give demo, what happened? It's running, right? So currently, who is the owner
Yes.
here? I am the user, Raja, Suresh. So, but who is the user, Suresh? So I don't have the even access to that one. So I am not a user, and I am not a I group also. I am not a Suresh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. One thing we'll forget here. What do you say? Uh, okay. So this way we can give 5, 4. So this time user have read write execute permissions, others have read execute, group have, so others have only, sorry, group have read execute, others have only
Did.
read executions. So now when you go for this one, so now it will work or not? Hmm?
It will work, I think. Yeah.
Without executable permissions to the other also, others can also able to execute. Actually, what
Yeah, but
permissions? Uh,
so if I have a production server
uh,
and you know the production server password,
uh,
and if you are, I mean, using sh command, you can execute, even though, I mean, you are also having access to the
see
production
what
server.
see one thing. So if I executed in your script, hmm, so definitely they won't give the anything here. Huh? So everything here only 7 they will give. So remaining 0 0 they will give, or else so 4 4 only they will give. Read, or else execute. So you can able to execute. Okay. So if you know the production password means that is only illegal. So how you know the production password? That is the
No,
one
no,
point.
no, no. One thing is,
Hmm.
if I have an application server,
Uh,
okay, and I am one of the user and you are one of the user,
hmm.
and I created a job,
Uh,
okay,
uh,
to shut down the, I created one file
uh,
to which will run every weekend.
uh,
But you are also having access to the same server using your own ID. You can log in,
okay.
okay, and you know the file name.
Uh,
So during weekday, if you
uh,
run that job,
uh,
if you run that script,
Excuse me.
it will stop and start the services, for example.
yes.
So which will, it is not a good thing, right? So
Yeah,
we are
it
planning to
is.
run it in during weekends only.
Yeah, it's not a good thing, but is so safety purpose they are introducing only this command. So we are only came with this command. sh command. Even if you go for real time, while KT also they won't say the sh command. sh space file name.
Okay.
But here, as a part of training, I am saying there is a three commands. I am saying that three commands how to execute. But if we can execute, means there is a drawback for that one. We can't do anything.
Okay.
Okay, na? So, so this is what. So this is users. So this is a group, and this is a others means like as a Raja. Is the others right? He is not at a user, and he is not at a group. Okay. So others means only read. So if you use now here, so now demo, then this time it will throw the error. Okay, that is okay. Now we learn how to change the file permissions. Okay, so if I give, okay, I'll jump into the server. Okay, ch mode 700. So then what is it? What is this? What is the access now?
User has all the permissions.
What about the others?
Oth-
Others at group.
Double zero, right?
Huh?
Others and groups they doesn't. Yeah, they doesn't have any access.
Yes. Okay, this is what.
Can't view, they can't execute.
They did not do anything. They called to do. Okay, so okay, now we learn how to change the file permissions. So now if you want to change the user or group, okay, so this is a user called
Owner.
Suresh. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, what? Any
Yeah,
doubt?
yeah. It means owner. You are saying?
Yeah, so this is a owner only, right? This is a
Yes, yes.
group. So I want to
Okay.
change this one. Huh? For that one,
Okay.
there is a command called chone.
Okay.
Chone. Okay.
Okay.
And then hyphen or
Okay.
so recursively.
Okay.
And then which file you are going to change. So demo.sh.
Demo. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
how to change that one means. So here Raja I am giving. What is the meaning of this? I am changing the instead of user Suresh Raja.
Group is same.
Okay, group is same. So operators is not there. So this kind of operations only root can do.
Mm.
Okay, now I have done this one executed successfully. When you check it now, so instead of Suresh, it changed it as Raja, right?
Okay. New name. Yeah. New username. We have to give the first and then old name, right?
No.
Raja.
So this is a group. This is a user. This is a group.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
So to change the group, there is one more command ch group. So instead of ch group using to remember everything very difficult. That's why I'm using here only directly. So if you say both Raja, then it changes as both. Okay, in ch1 itself we can
Okay.
able to do both. Okay.
Okay.
Suresh, here,
Ah,
Only. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
go ahead, Prasad.
No. No. Nothing. Nothing. I'm clear.
yeah, Mauli, tell me.
So here you are giving sudo ch1 command, right? There we need root password, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
So who will change the users? File permissions user can do, but user group access if you want to change means only administration can do that.
Yeah, but
Okay.
okay, but we are giving only from the demo dataset file belongs to Suresh user, and now
Yes.
Suresh is able to change the owner, right? Is it possible, right?
I didn't get you.
Suresh user can change the username of demo dataset file from Suresh user to Raja user, right?
No, no, no. So user
Yes.
can't able to change the username group name. So only user can change the permissions of the file only. So this part only they can able to change. So if you want
But
to change this part and this part, definitely we want administration access.
but sometimes I am able to change it also. How come it's possible? I am also not sure.
Maybe your user have access. Okay,
Okay,
while they are trying to create the new user, they will give only a developer user or admin user something. Administration can do that while creation of the users.
okay,
Okay, so if you
Yeah.
have access, we
Yes.
can able
Suresh,
to
we
go ahead.
have. Yeah. We have ch mod, right, for changing the permissions. What
Ah,
is the use of ch1?
so ch mode, with the help of ch mode, we can't able to change this for group name as well as file others, right? Others name. So
Okay.
username and so file owner and then group we can't able to change with the ch mode.
Yeah. What I'm asking.
Uh,
Previously, we have Suresh username.
uh,
For that, we have some privileges are there for that
uh,
file.
uh,
Means demo data stage.
uh,
Okay.
uh,
If we are changing to Suresh to Raja,
uh,
and we have to giving like other privileges.
uh.
Instead of that, we can give the same privileges for the Suresh user itself, right?
Not yet get exactly what's your query. Okay, Suresh user there. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
First, Suresh, we have
okay, so read
from
write
some
execute permission.
permissions are there. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. After that, you have changed Suresh to Raja.
Okay, same permission it will applicable for Raja only. It won't applicable for Suresh. That is one thing. Okay, next.
Okay.
That is your daughter.
Yeah,
So
yeah. That's what I'm asking.
uh,
This time also we have to give some new permissions for Raja.
uh,
Instead of that, we can give that same permissions to Suresh itself, right?
Suresh itself, we can give the Raja permissions to the Raja, right?
Yeah,
You're asking.
yeah. Whichever Raja having the accesses.
No, no, no. See, this is a owner of. Okay, if you take this is a file, so this file owner of Suresh. So you are
Okay.
saying so same access. So read execute here. So same access you are
Okay.
asking to give the Raja user.
Yeah. That's what I'm asking.
If you give the Raja access means we have to give here others part read write executable permissions.
Okay.
Okay, then Raja it comes in the other part. So not only Raja, others part means apart Suresh. Apart from Suresh, everything it will come. There is no specific,
Okay.
right? So for
Okay.
that one, we will come the CH1. So CH1 means to
Okay.
change the owner.
Okay.
Okay, na? So there is no secure for that way. If you go for that way, so that's why whatever you want specifically, we have to go for that one.
What is the main use of changing the owner of the file?
So same formations, same file we have here there. So I want to
Okay.
give, I want to change that. Okay, so on so time.
Okay.
So I am the user. Okay, so I am
Okay.
going out of office. Okay, I am leaving that one. So I have only the formations. Okay,
Okay.
so some other
Okay.
user came newly. So I want to give the access to them. So that username is
Okay.
different, right? So every username it's
Okay.
different. So that time they can't
Okay.
able to access. Either I need to give the same group access to the that new guy user's name, or else I want to change the name instead of my username, he username, so that he can able to
Okay.
continue with work development.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
What I am asking, yeah, in that scenario, you can give directly changing the file permissions itself. You can give, right?
So how we can change? Let me know how we can change permissions. So you are saying like ch mode 777. This is what you are saying.
Yeah, like not
Huh?
777
Uh,
something.
so something means let me know. You know, right? Read, write, execute permissions 4 2 1.
Yes.
So which one you can give? Then I can say to you. I can suggest you.
Yeah.
So if he want to edit means definitely you want to write means. Huh?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So if you give the right, so it will be come to the here.
Okay.
So that means others. Others means not only Raja, even Pavan available,
Okay.
Prashad available, Mauli available. Every can able to access, right? Every can able to change that file. So that is not right. Good thing. So they can able
Yes.
to
Yes.
see and they can able to execute, but they can't able to change the file inside content. That
Okay.
is
Okay.
main
Got it. Got it.
requirement. For that one, we are going for that.
Yeah. Got it. Thanks.
Yes. Okay. So now we have a command called cron tab. Okay.
Okay.
So cron tab is a command to schedule a job. So here when you go for 1 2 5, okay. So if you think this is a Raja demo.sh. Okay, first I'll make few changes here in this file. So instead of so chmod, right? So we'll give as the same user access. Okay, now I'm going to edit the demo file. So here, um, okay, echo, and then cron tab example. So sleep here 5 5. Okay, now I'm giving the permissions to the demo user. Okay, now when I run this one, observe that. So okay, I'll give some more time. Okay, VA demo. Mm, so echo job completed. So I am what I'm trying to say doing here. So have you understand? So I am saying the job need to go 5 minutes sleep. Okay, so job completed. Okay, have it clear? Yeah, guys, are you able to understand what I'm trying to do here?
Yes, yes, sir,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
here it's not a
Okay.
millisecond, seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, now I'm doing here. So I am going to do the automatic job automation for the job demo.job. Huh?
Okay.
So first to start, it will indicate the hours. So hours means
Okay.
hours and minutes. It will indicate.
Okay.
So hours and minutes means so when you come hours 0 to 23. So 0 to 59 minutes. Okay. So after minutes completed, next which one will come? So time completed, hours completed means next what?
Yes.
Days.
Uh, weeks it will come first Monday, Tuesday like 10 or 7 means Sunday. So 1 means Monday, like 6 means Saturday. So now you got it right. So 2 means Tuesday, 3 means Wednesday like this. 5 means Friday, 6 means Saturday. So 7 means if you count start with 0 means then what happened? 0 is a Sunday, 1 is a Monday. So 6 it will come the Saturday. Or else starting with 1 means 1 is a Monday, 2 is a Saturday like this it will go by 6 is Saturday, 7 is Sunday. Okay, got it? Okay, now so it will come the days. So days means what? 1 to
Okay.
hmm, 31. We have 31 day, right? And then months. Months means 1 to
12.
12. So years again. So years means it's a star everything all years. Okay. So now I'm trying to schedule a job here. What I'm trying to do is uh, 30 space 21. So 1 comma 5, then 15, and then star 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the meaning of this one? Have you understand anything here?
All the year, I mean, star means
So
year. Last.
this means so 21 no, 30. So that means 9:30 p.m. So first it will come the minutes, second it will come the hours. So it will be indicate only one star. Okay. So 9:30 p.m. every day. So 9:30 p.m. here only. So in a day 9:30 p.m. it need to kick off. And when it come to week, Monday to Friday. Sorry, Monday Friday only. If you give instead of hyphen here Monday to Friday. Okay. So if you give only space means then only Monday and Friday. Okay. So here 15 means what? So 15th day. In a day 15th only month 15 only it need to kick off. Okay.
Month
RL
15th.
if you star means so every month. So every day. Okay.
What if we give
15 means every month 15 only it will run.
okay, but 1 comma 5 we gave, right? Monday or Friday. That's the reason.
Yeah.
Before that
So,
15 we gave.
so ah, so that scenario in the 15. So which date it will come? Either Monday or Tuesday. How you know? So you don't know, that's why we are giving. So it won't bother about anything, it will check all possible conditions. For example, if you give 5 and conditions means, if you 5 and conditions satisfy only this, it will be go for condition inside, right? Otherwise it will go out of condition, right?
Yes.
Like here also it will check all the conditions. So here I'll give 9:30, so that means every day it will go 9:30, not Saturday Sunday it won't go for, right? So I means I'm giving the
Yeah.
only Monday to Friday. So here also, okay. So if I give everything, days, month, year means everything, it will start means, okay. Every day 9:30 p.m. Monday to Friday it will kick off. So if I give 15 means, again Monday to Friday when, Monday Friday when, only in the mid of 15, month mid of 15. Okay. So if I give here again 2 means, only February month it will kick off. So year means every
Yes.
year. So how we can denote here? So every year, okay. So February 15, okay. So the date we don't know. Monday it will come, Friday it will come, whatever. So that
So when
week,
you start,
so 9:30 p.m. it will kick off. So that means every year only once it will run.
yeah, but this 1 5 instead of that 1 5 we can give star, I think, right?
So star means we can able to give, but what is the significance for that? So every file you are going to, no need, right? So if you have feasibility, you can do. So in the directory, we have lack of files available or thousands of files available. If you give star means everything. So
Okay.
it's not a mandatory to run all in daily basis, right?
Suresh,
Okay.
can you explain once again? Little
Yeah.
bit.
So here, so here, first star it will come. The first is a minute, second is a hours.
Okay.
So that means 21 means, so 9:30 p.m. That's right.
Okay.
If you give
Okay.
09 means only 9:30 p.m. AM. So okay, here, so 5 I said 1 means Monday, 5 means Friday. So Monday and Friday only it will run. Okay, if I
Okay.
give, so iPhone, then Monday to Friday it will run. Okay,
Okay.
so this is every month 15.
Okay.
So this is a month, every second month. So that means February.
Okay.
So this is a star. So every year I'm saying.
Okay. This will be every year February 15th.
Ah, ah,
Yeah, 9:30 it will be
February.
there.
Yes, 9:30 p.m.
Okay.
Okay, so here also, like if I give, so 10 to 15, then
Okay.
so in time of, in the month of second, okay, second month,
Okay.
10 to 15 days only it will run.
Okay.
Okay.
If 10 to 15, it should be
Ah,
Monday to Friday.
yes, 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 that's correct.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, like this. Okay.
Can you share this document?
So in documents I to make that one. So
Okay.
today I will share.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
I forgot yesterday. Okay, so every 10 minutes if you want to run means,
10.
every 10 minutes if you want to run job means,
We can
Yeah.
give comma
10, 10 star.
0
huh? 10,
0 comma 10.
10
0,
star.
10 star, uh,
Yeah.
so
10
this is
star,
what,
star, star, star.
what is the meaning of this one?
This
Every
will
10
not run.
minutes.
So
No, 0 comma 10
that
comma.
means 10 means what? Here did not mention anything means 0 0, right? So 0 0 means
Okay.
what?
Okay.
12 10 only it will run every day.
Yeah, that's the thing I'm saying, that 0 comma 10 comma 20
Okay.
comma.
So I did not say anything commas, right? We can't denote here commas. So here only way is, so star by 10. This is where we can
Okay.
run. So every 10 minutes. So they will ask
All
entry
to 10
point type
minutes.
how to schedule. So we know only how to schedule a job. So day wise or month wise. Okay, how to schedule a job will tell
Okay.
will every 10 minutes. So they will ask entry point of question this one. Remember.
But I see somewhere else we gave commas also. That's the
Yeah.
doubt.
So like 1, 2, 3 like right. So every 10 minutes means how many tens you will give.
Means only 4, 5 only. 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. 0. 5, 5 we can give that.
Tell 20.
20,
So 30,
30, 40. 40.
40. Uh,
No, no, 0, 0 we can give in the starting. Yeah,
is it
0
wrong?
comma 10.
Huh?
So in the after 40 you can give remove the comma. Yeah, it will work. I mean the one which you said also right only, but this way also we are working.
Okay. So instead of doing this, that is a better approach. Again,
Yes, yes. You're
yeah.
right. Yeah.
Okay. So whatever we are following, that one only I am introducing. Huh?
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, fine. Okay. We'll see one example here. So every 10 minutes I want to run means. So instead of every for 10 minutes, we will say 5 minutes. Star by 5.
Okay.
Or star by 1 minute. Every 1 minute I need to run or what?
And one extra star you gave, I think. Five,
Or
6 stars you gave.
5 stars only, right? Okay. Or else we'll schedule the time like 8:45, huh? 45:08. Okay.
45. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, here we
Every
need.
day 8:45 it should run.
Yes. So what is the time now here? Okay, date. What is the time now? 2014. So 2016 will give.
Okay.
Or else okay 2017. It will take time to schedule, right? Okay. So where we can schedule a job?
In the cron tab icon E we can give.
So hyphen events edit. Okay. So okay, here I have one file. So already I have commented that one. Hmm. Okay.
Yeah. And it's better if we
Save.
give some log file
Okay, where is the
other
save
than.
here? Okay, we'll do time. It's going on, right? We'll do further that one.
Okay.
Where is the time? Okay, save. Control MZ with the more. It's very difficult here doing this chat. Uh,
Escape W key is not working.
it won't work because there is a below. It's showing some options, right? We have to use that.
Oh. Write out.
So
Write out is there.
right out. Okay, so Control O. So there is any save?
Backup file, prevent, append, not.
Not. So next what is that? Control P, Control X, Control V. Shit. Get help. Control G. Okay, previous page. Next line. Okay, next page. Okay, Control V. So Control P. Our toggle appending M hyphen A. Control X. So reduce the size. Turn, 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 turn.
Yeah, append is there.
Hmm. So Control save. Control S. Control A. I got Control E. Okay, so write out where justify next phase, cut text to result. Next phase V, control V. Next page, next previous phase, control Y. Control save, control S is not there. Control P, control Y. It won't working. It's a time also already gone.
Tomorrow we will see this
Yeah,
concept.
I will explain this one only, so I'll close the session. Okay, time now. So 2018, right? So I will change 2020 23. So edit the file. This is introducing to turn by task. Each task will be. So or else we'll make it as a. It's not readable actually. I don't know why it's not compatible mode. Modifying. Okay, it's asking now why. Stupid thing. Okay. So what I done before? Shit.
I think it is asking only why.
Hmm?
Only why, yeah.
Okay, fine. I got it now. Uh, it is this server, right? So it's not pure clarify. Okay. See now. So I am placing this one. Okay. And then push Control X. So it will asking Y or not. So if you press Y, then it will okay. Okay. So Control Y save. Okay. Then it's saved data. Okay. When you open Chrome tab hyphen R hyphen
Only L,
E
I
edit.
think.
Hmm?
L, L.
No cron tabs for Suresha. Hyphen E. Okay, everything related maybe. Forgot. Control Y. Save. Want to try the same edit. Cron tab hyphen E. So why it's not saving? How to modify the buffer? No, will not understand.
Ubuntu is a little bit different, I think, than compared with Linux.
Oh God. Okay, fine. I'll check tomorrow and let you know.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.